Familiarize yourself with the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and much more. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.